Hello children. Last class we have seen the food from plants, right? Now today we will continue with the same thing, that is food we eat. In the same chapter we will go with the food from animals. In the last class you have been seeing the food from plants, what kind of plant, where we get food from plants, how we get in the form of vegetables, fruits and leafy vegetables and grains, right? Different types of fruits are there as well as the vegetables, and some of them are grains. Today we will see the food from animals. How we will get food from animals. Food from animals. So some foods are there that we get from animals. So what are that foods we will see in this session for today. So what kind of foods are from animals, you tell me. Generally how you will get food from animals. Can we get the meat from animals? Yes, we will get food from animals such as meat. Meat we will get from animals, and milk and eggs. These foods we will get from animals. So what meat we will get from animals? We will get hen meat, that is called chicken. We'll get meat from hen, that is called chicken, and from goat or sheep. We call that it as mutton. And next one, from buffalo or cow, that we call it as beef. Okay, these are some of the examples for the mutton, that meat will get from animals. Hen from hen will get chicken, right? That is one kind of meat. And from sheep and goat also we will get meat. And next one, from buffalo or cow we will get the food item like meat, that we call it as beef. And we will get some seafoods also like fish, prawns, crabs. All these things we call it as seafoods. Seafoods also we will take it as a meat part. Okay, in this way we will get food from animals like meat different types of meats also available for us, that is chicken, mutton, beef and some seafoods. And coming to the next one, milk. Where do you get milk? Where do you get milk? We get milk from animals, that is cow. We get milk from cow, right? Someone take cow's milk, someone take buffalo's milk. And sheep, we can get the goat milk also. We can get it, but we have we get milk from animals, that is from cow, buffalo and sheep. In this way these animals will produce, that is gives the milk for us. And we'll move to the eggs. Which animal gives us eggs? We will eat eggs also from plants. Can we get eggs from hen? Okay, eggs from hen. So we are getting eggs also from the animals itself. So the food from animals are from different resources we are getting. That is from animals we can get the meat like cow meat, buffalo meat, hen and seafoods. All these things we will get as a meat. And milk, cow's milk is there, buffalo milk is there, goat milk also will be available. And these are also from animals. We get eggs from hen. So In this way, animals are helpful for us for getting food for us. And in milk, again from milk we have different kinds of food items. From milk we have different types of food items, that is we get paneer, curd, butter. All these products we call it as milk products. Why? Because these we are getting from the milk, so that we call it as milk products. Ghee also we can get from the milk. So from animals we are getting the meat as well as the milk. In that milk we are making different products from milk, that is cheese, paneer, curd, butter and ghee. Ghee also we can prepare from the milk product. So that products we call it as milk products. And eggs we will get from hen and different things. So these are all about the different products, how the plants and animals are helpful for us for getting food. We will see one table so that you will be clear. If you turn to your page number 56, here is one table, that is food we'll get from plants and animals. Food we'll get from plants and animals, right? From plants we'll get again three types of things, that is fruits, vegetables. In vegetables, leafy vegetables also, as well as vegetables and grains, right? Grains. Again in animals, again it is two things, that is we get animals mutton, chicken, egg, fish and milk also. So milk. So again this milk is divided into so many parts like milk products, that is cheese, butter, ghee, paneer and so on. So here we are getting food from plants and animals. From plants we are getting fruits, vegetables, leafy vegetables and grains. From animals we are getting mutton, chicken, egg, fish and milk. And from milk we are getting cheese, butter, ghee and paneer. So in this way we are getting food from plants and animals. And why we need to take food? Eat plenty of fruits. Why? Because if you eat plenty of fruits and vegetables, you'll grow taller, stronger and healthier. So that eat more fruits, vegetables, milk, curd and grains daily. So you have to add your food items like daily base. You need to take fruits, vegetables and grains. Grains means that we could cook in the afternoon times and as well as in the dinner time, and curd and milk. And next one, that's it, grains. You have to add all these things in your daily diet. Okay, you tell me what are the things you have to you want to include in your daily diet. That is fruits, definitely you have to take the fruits, vegetables, grains, leafy vegetables, milk and curd. And eat at fixed times. Why? Because don't take whenever you want, don't take like that. There are some fixed times to take the food, that is as the breakfast, lunch, dinner and with the snack time. Eat the food in a regular intervals and drink plenty of water. Why? Because our body is consists of 70% of water. So daily drink plenty of water, that to clean and distilled water. Okay, drink more water and do not overeat. That is, don't take too much food. That means the huge food. Why? Because it will also cause some kind of diseases for us. Don't take too much. Over food you have to avoid, and don't waste your food. Whatever it was in your plate, you have to take that completely. Okay, your mom knows how much food you can take, no, so she will give in the plate, so that you have to take the food, everything what you can eat, that all you have to finish it off, but don't waste your food. And I know that you like to eat junk foods, right? You like to eat junk food, but don't take junk foods. Why? Because it is not good for your health. Like avoid plenty of oil, salt, sugar in your food items. Why? Because it is also unhealthy food for us. Avoid what you should not do. Avoid what you can do is what you can do, and what you don't want to do. Don't and do is, first you can eat more fruits, vegetables, grains, milk and curd you can take. Drink plenty of water, plenty of water. Complete the food what you have in your plate. Complete the food. Eat in a fixed time. Don't eat whenever you want. Eat in a fixed time. And here, avoid junk food. You should not take junk food. Why? Because it is harm for your health. And avoid salt, sugar. Avoid salt, sugar and too much oil from your food part. Why? Because this causes unhealthy for you. So this is all about your the food we eat chapter. In the next class, we will continue with the next session. Until then, remember what are the food items we want to eat, and where we'll get the food items, all those things. Until then, have a nice time and enjoy the day. Bye bye.